Hey you guys, this video is to help you guys out who have just rebuilt your 6F35 transmission. This is typically found in the Ford Escapes and Fusions. And I like to start the videos with just explaining who I am. I was a Ford transmission tech for 11 years, and now I make videos to help you guys out. So if you've just rebuilt your 6F35 and now you've got like a clunk in the gear, or you have, say, a gear that won't upshift, or you're losing engagement, I'm here to help. I'm going to have an example here in just a second, but what I'm going to recommend to you is to join my Discord server, and I'll help you one-on-one. What I'm going to ask for, most likely, is going to be whatever codes that you have present for your issue, and for a video of you driving the car, like from a stop all the way up to the high gear, and just try to illustrate what is going on with your car, what concern you have. And if after we're done talking, if the concern is fixed, you want to donate to the channel, I'll put a couple links in the description below. My PayPal and Buy Me a Coffee. Well, here's a video here of a guy who just rebuilt his transmission. And accelerating here, first and second is fine. But once you get up to third, right there's a little bit of a clunk. And then as he continues to drive and accelerate up to speed, if you notice here, it doesn't ever shift into sixth gear. Only sixth. Now, second and sixth is where the intermediate clutch applies. So since second gear applies fine, and it's only with sixth gear, right there, you know it's most likely something to do with the control side of the transmission. Now, that includes the valve body or the solenoid body. In this situation, after talking to him one-on-one, I found out that he used the cheap paper gaskets that come in the aftermarket Amazon rebuild kits for this transmission. Now, one thing I recommend for sure is for the separator plates to go to the Ford dealer and get the plates for your VIN number. That's definitely something I wouldn't use out of the aftermarket kits. However, everything else in the kits should be perfectly fine. So lucky for this guy, he just needs to take the side cover off the transmission, pull the valve body out, and fix it that way. He does not have to pull the entire transmission out. But yeah, you guys, I'm here to help. I want to help you out. I'm not going to charge you anything. If it's just something simple you have to ask about your 6F35 build, go ahead and go in the comments section down below and write it, and I'll reply to you. If it's something where you think you'll have a few more questions and you want to talk to me one-on-one, join the Discord, and it's in the description below. And all I ask is that you click the like button and subscribe and check out some of the other videos. I've got plenty of content on the 6F35 transmission. It'll help you out there. Let me know if you need a product link or anything like that. All right, you guys, have yourselves a great day. Hope this was helpful to you. Once again, just want to help you out with your problems. Have a great day.